Hi guys. Today, first time ever, my small sister is preparing pancakes for us. I don't know how she planned to do this because she never entered the kitchen, but this is her first time. So let's see how she makes the pancakes. Here she starts. Guys, this is how she made the pancakes. This is the top part. Amazing. She burned it, but at least she tried. And this is the down part, which is good. But the up part, okay, so I am not gonna judge her because it's her first time she gave it a try and she served this to me. So let me enjoy this. Thank you so much. Oh my god, this is the second piece. This is what you're making for Amma. Is this do you call this a pancake? What shape is this? I have never seen such kind of shape ever. Oh my god. I guess you have created a new shape. This looks like a dog paws. This is really funny, guys. Just look at the shape. Look how what shape is this? I don't know. I don't know what's this white spreading out from here. Nothing is in a proper circle. Nothing. But at least she gave it a try. It's her first time. So this is the final serving, which the toppings is the chocolate. I don't know, chocolate syrup or whatever it is. And this is the pancake, which is our lunch presented by my small sister. First time ever. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy this.